How to see hidden text in photos on Android. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can see the hidden text in photos on Android. So if you want to see the hidden text in photo that has been painted over with a white marker on Android, you can try this step. First of all, you have to open the gallery and select that photo that you want to edit like this. And after that, you have to just go for the edit option. And once you are on your gallery edit option here, you can go for the adjustment and you can increase the contrast brightness here. So here you can see that you can see the hidden text in your photos on your Android. Also, you can use an image editing app like Snapseed, FixArt, photo editor. Just go for the share icon and scroll down, and you can use any of that app. So here I'm using the Snapseed. So here I'm using the Snapseed. Just go for the Snapseed and tap on the tools icon, and you can increase the brightness or contrast here, which may help you to reveal the hidden text on the white marker. So this experiment with different features such as inverted color or sharpening to see if the text became visible. So this is the step how we can see the hidden text in a photo that has been painted over with font marker on Android. So high quality images yield better results. So try to start with the clearest version possible. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.